Known as the quintessential New England beachfront resort, Water's Edge Resort and Spa is an idyllic getaway in rustic Westbrook on the Connecticut shoreline.
We're located on 20 acres of land overlooking the Long Island Sound. We have a private beach, outdoor pool, jacuzzi, indoor pool, fitness center, full-service spa. We have an indoor restaurant that's won some awards for Best Sunday Brunch, hotel dining.
Once a quaint seaside hotel, the Water's Edge has matured into a full-service resort where business travelers are just as comfortable as couples preparing to exchange vows.
We have a lot of local guests, and then also from Hartford. New York is only 2 hours away. Boston's only 2 hours away, so we have a lot of people that come from that area. We have a lot of families, conferences.
And although the big cities are within driving distance, and Westbrook itself is rather quaint, the resort is so complete that leaving is more of an option than a necessity.
We're very unique in that we have a lot of things to offer here. There's really no reason to leave the property. We have a lot of people that will stay for the week, especially in the summer months, and there's activities for the children and adults.
In spring and summer, guests flock to the beach or pool and hang out at the Sunset Bar and Grill. In the winter, guests head indoors to the resort's award-winning spa and restaurants. Regardless of the season, they will always find comfort behind their room door.
We have 170 rooms.
Rooms and suites in the Bill Hahn Lounge, hotel, and library buildings have parlors and wet bars, as well as separate dining and sleeping areas. With a distinctive history and a New England charm, come experience a resort that opens up a world of possibilities.